A side plank is a really challenging exercise. So you can certainly do this exercise on the ground or take off some of the pressure and stress and perform an elevated side plank. However you choose to do this, get on your side with a nice, tall, stable shoulder where your shoulder and your elbow are aligned with each other. Tuck your chin and keep your head in line with your body. Start with your hip bent and engage your glutes and lift up and forward. Now remember your corset, and that is your kind of your lower ab muscles. If you lift up and you feel kind of squishy in your core muscles, you have a problem. Definitely take your top hand and put it down in front of you and turn slightly so that both your hips and your shoulders are facing exactly the same direction. A lot of times we see shoulders rotated or we see hips rotated, and sometimes it's towards the ground and sometimes it's a little bit more to the ceiling. And this will really help you gain that core control, because as soon as your spine is twisted and out of alignment, it's definitely more difficult to maintain that core control. Now, make sure that once this becomes a little bit easier for you, you can adjust this a little bit differently and progress this a little bit differently. So you can go from an elevated plank to a floor plank. You can try, instead of doing this on your elbows, to perform this with an arm fully extended. And you can also take it to the next level and lift up one of your top leg. And so you're almost like a sideways starfish. So lots of progressions that can help with the side plank. And it is super challenging. You'll probably never get bored of it.